Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm gonna do the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. First of all, we are not having any high impact news into the market today. So I'm anticipating that most likely the price could be a little bit so slower. The price action won't be this much volatile. Now let's move to the charts. So this is the monthly chart of Euro USD, and what we can see is that the price had reacted from this extreme POI, taken the liquidity, and then we are getting back in this zone. So here what we can see is that we are having this BPR into the price. So I'm anticipating that most likely the price can reach till this area. So I'm bearish according to the monthly levels. So let's move to the weeklies to see what do we have in there. So this is the weekly chart, and we can see that every other wick is mitigated in the price. And not only that, as confluence, we can see that we got a close below this structure. Okay, I didn't show you. Why does this structure actually matters? Because of I think it's not much visible here. Maybe when we will move into the dailies, it will be visible. So most likely, I'm anticipating that if we move into the higher direction, this could be our zone till where the price can actually reach, and we can see a reaction. Apart from that, I'm not pretty much clear that where we are gonna go in the price range right now, because here we are having this volume imbalance and the price is ranging in between it. So most likely, uh, we can stay here, but apart from that, we can move and mitigate this level and then move into the downward side. So let's move to the dailies to see what do we have in there. As we move into the dailies, what we can see is that the price was having equal lows and we got a close below the structure. So this close is important because uh, this was the last push, and the price was having this FVG, and this was the area where the price was in indecision phase, and we started to respect this FVG until the end. We respected this FVG, uh, concluding that we are bearish into the market, and this is the last POI actually from where the price pushed into the sorry into the downward side, and we we got to see a move of almost 200 pips. So I'm anticipating that this could be the area from where the price could react to the future if we are going to move into the upside direction. So let's move to the 4 hours now. Okay. So this is the 4-hour chart, and what we can see is that here is a BPR into the price, and if we are going to respect this BPR, let's say we get a close below it. Now it makes sense. This line makes sense, and if we get a close below it, our range of trading will be this area of imbalance, that is this 40 pips. And let's say that if we get a close above it, above this BPR, then I'll be anticipating that this liquidity won't matter much, and we are going to make this equal highs as an opportunity to move into the further upside direction. So in this case, if let's say we get a close here, we are going to have a working area of 35 pips. So let's move to the 2 hours now. I always mess things up. The 1 hour chart. Okay. And here we can see that the price had reacted from this BPR. Let's move to 2 hours actually. Yeah. We can't see much clear scenario into the 2 hours. So let's move to the 1 hours only. Even in the 1 hour, nothing is much clearer because everything seems mitigated. We have swept this low, and the price has given a close above this, disrespecting this BPR. So maybe we can have a small scalp, but I don't trade in Asia. So let's move to the 30 minutes now. As we move into the 30 minutes, what we have is we were having this BPR, the price reacted from this BPR, and we are currently moving higher. So yeah, if we get a close above this Asia session into the 4 hours, this is going to be the deciding factor. Then I'll be bullish till this equal highs. Let's mark it. Let it easy. So if we are going to get a close above it, I'll be going to wait for the retest, and I'll be anticipating that this equal high will be our target. And let's say that if it doesn't happen, let's say we respect it, then what I'm anticipating is we are going to get a close below it, and then uh, my working area will be the retest of this area, and then further this left volume balance area. So this is the overall trade plan for me today. Do write me into the comments if you have any doubts or any suggestion for me. Till then, keep watching and keep learning. Thank you for watching.